Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to have a video on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Incorporating videos on your Wix website is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance user engagement and improve the overall effectiveness of your website. Now, once you are logged into your account, depending on how you set up your Wix website, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and go to the site and click on website. And from here, all I have to do is click on this link and you would be forwarded here on the Wix website builder. Now, on the left side panel of your dashboard, you can add an element here wherein there's going to be an option for the video and music. Alright, so you have all these single video players. For example, I'm going to be putting this one. You can drag and drop it here. Okay. Or add another element. How about the Wix video? You see that? Video box, video mask, and a transparent video. If you do that, just drag and drop it here. See that? For example, this one. Now you can resize and move the player by clicking and dragging its edges using the toolbar. Alright, you have the option here on the settings to change the video, reset the video, and of course, in terms of the behavior, do you like it a pause, on a loop, clicking, and in terms of the design, are you going to choose the recolor video? You can choose that. So there's multiple options for you to be creative and not be dictated by the templates here on the Wix website builder. Again, for example, I'm going to put in a single video player for YouTube. Okay, now this video player, if you click on the change video, you can put in the video's web address. In that case, I am switching over to our Deep Laughs YouTube channel. If you haven't already, you might want to click on the sign up button so you'll get notifications to our latest content. In this case, I'm going to copy the URL or the YouTube channel. And from here, all I have to do is put in the link. And that's basically how you add videos on your Wix website. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.